Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. Welcome to the another video of my new Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection. This is my collection of Thomas and Friends All Engines Go number 2 of the second collection of this Thomas All Engines Go. We have 4 engines, and then the next one I grabbed the collections 3 and 4 to complete this collection. So please enjoy. So here is the first character of the new All Engines Go Push Along collection. So first we have Thomas. This is Thomas. Thomas is blue and he has the number 1 on his cap. Thomas has 6 wheels and the nose of Thomas is very cool. If you can see, Thomas has 2 whistles on the top and is very cool. And then we have the call of Thomas. The call is just over here. This is the call of Thomas. If you can see, it's a lot of coal, if you can see. And yeah, he's very cool. Thomas is very cool. His face is really cool and cute. Well, let's continue to the next engine. So Thomas is a steam engine. Alright, let's continue to the second. So that is Thomas. Next we have Nia. Nia is orange and she has the number 18. She has 6 wheels just like Thomas. She is a steam engine just like Thomas. Nia. If you can see, his face is really cool. His nose are cute just like Thomas. Nia has a water tanker. She has a light. He's very cool. If you can see, Nia is orange and she has the number 18. And then we have the coal of Nia. Here's the coal of the top and just right here. The coal is Nia is really cool. She has the African colors, and yeah, I love. So yeah. Well, let's continue to the next one, to the third engine. So that is Nia. Next we have Diesel. He's a diesel engine. Diesel has 6 wheels just like Thomas and Nia. Diesel, his face and his nose are cute. Thomas has blue eyes. Nia has orange eyes. Diesel has purple eyes. He is purple. If you can see, the bottom is black and is very cool. Luckily, Diesel is the funniest engine. And yeah, it's very cool. And Diesel has purple wheels on the top. Well, this one is just like him. Alright, so that is Diesel, and let's continue to the final character to complete. So that is Diesel. Finally, the fourth engine, we have Salty. Ahoy there, me hearties! Here is Salty. Salty has 6 wheels just like Diesel, Nia, and Thomas. Salty, his blacks are red. Diesel has a light of the back. He has stripes yellow and black. His numbers are 2991. And yeah, he has the back of the light. Here's the light of the Salty. And then yeah, he's very cool Salty for this one. And yeah, so that is Salty. the fourth engine. So now let's go moving back to Thomas. All right, so let's go back. Salty, diesel, Nia, and finally we have Thomas. So yeah, these engines I like it because I love my collection. So it's cool to the most exactly of my collections. I'm very happy to my collection because I like it because these engines are really cool for today. Well, so that is my Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection number 2 of the second collection. Thank you very much for watching. The next video I grabbed my collection of the new All Engines Go number 3 and number 4. Why? Because I have 4 engines, so I grab 4 videos to complete this collection. Well, that is my collection number 2 of my new Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later guys in the next video. Bye bye.